Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Iceland. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Iceland, a Nordic island country situated in the North Atlantic, is primarily driven by manufacturing, fisheries, finance, as well as the tourism sector. The Icelandic tourism sector is steadily expanding, especially around ecotourism. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as newer traders decide on entering the markets, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Iceland and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to Icelandic traders. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Iceland. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXPro. FXPro is an online fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CySEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro Ctrader, and the FXPro Trading Platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a Ctrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic and Demo accounts. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. At number 4 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker. Was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. Coming in at number 3 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Ctrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Demo, Raw Spread, and Standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, Demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Iceland, we have FXPrimus. FXPrimus is an online broker founded in 2009, offering Forex trading, social trading, and is a global broker with a head office located in Cyprus. Regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, and is used by over 10,000 traders. FXPrimus offers over 125 different instruments to trade, including 43 currency pairs, specializing in Forex, metals, energies, equities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and futures. Available platforms are provided on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on their web-based browser application, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, VIP, Variable, and ECN Premium accounts, with access to a wide range of advanced trading tools, multilingual customer support services, SMS alerts, daily market outlooks, one-on-one consultations, and more. FXPrimus also provides their very own educational center, which delves into weekly market analytics, general market commentary from expert guests, seminars, webinars, daily market news, trading calculators, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional trading education with FXPrimus. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Iceland on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.